Yeah, the African research on African mountains is a very important issue in the continent. It's affecting most of the vulnerable people of our communities who are living in the mountains. And the changes which are taking place, they have to adapt that based on the scientific results from which you get from the scientists. Now, this is a very good initiative. And it can have a support from ICSU. ICSU has got a network of scientists working on global environmental change, and some of them are actually coming from the mountainous regions. And we could actually incorporate the scientific work done by those networks with the one which is being done now by the Afromount. We also look into a situation where ICSU can actually get funding for research. We as an organization, we can actually source funding for research if we've got organized research lines with milestones and people who are prepared to do the research. We can actually get funding for people to actually carry out the research, as long as we can benefit the communities in Africa. What is more important now is that Afromount has got links with other international networks, which is a very good issue in terms of sourcing funds, because most of the funding donor communities are looking at an issue where we find the need is north-south cooperation, which is important in getting funds. But also we emphasize on the south-south cooperation, which is one of the niche of ICSU. We want to establish a strong relationship between the scientists in the region, and this is one of the thematic areas where we can get a strong collaboration between science in the south and south-north.
Thank you, Dan. Thank you very much, Dan.